What up, though, Biz Nation? It's your boy Tay Biz, man. We are here to reveal another motion. We knew this was coming when it came to the YSL trial and when it came to the fact that it's appointed to Judge Whitaker. We knew that once the judge accepted the case, there were going to be some motions filed, especially since we know that they hosted a re-election party for this particular judge. And so we got the scoop here that Brian Steele has filed a motion to disqualify Adrian Love and Miss Simone Hylton. Okay. And so go ahead and like this video, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and share it because we doing this, man. All right. Now, he filed this motion before the hearing. The hearing is today. Today is July the 19th. The hearing is today at 11:30 a.m. All right. And from what we're being told, this judge is on time, and I believe it's an open court. So we're going to go ahead and get involved. So it says here on July 18th at 5:32 p.m. last night. This is when Brian Steele filed the motion in the Superior Court of Fulton County, State of Georgia versus Young Slime. My boy Young Thug or Jeffrey Williams. It says here motion to disqualify lawyers Love and Hylton. And it's a footnote here too. This is interesting, man. It says comes now, Mr. Jeffrey Williams, by and through undersigned counsel, and hereby files this motion to disqualify lawyers Love and Hylton in the above reference case. In support of this motion, Mr. Williams shows as follows. Number one, Mr. Williams is innocent of all crimes in the above reference indictment. Number two, as previously asserted, lawyers Love and lawyer Hylton have made themselves critical witnesses in this case, including, but not limited to, when lawyer Love engaged in text messages with witness Archelian Bennett, and lawyer Love and lawyer Hylton and Judge Glanville communicated with sworn witness Mr. Kenneth Copeland at a critical stage of Mr. Williams's trial during the now infamous June 10th, 2024, wholly improper ex parte in chambers meeting. Okay. Says here that the undersigned counsel has the duty to cross-examine or examine Mr. Copeland, lawyer Love, Hylton, and Glanville on all facets of this secret strategy session pursuant to the Confrontation Clause, right to present a defense, 6th and 14th Amendment rights to effective assistance of counsel, due process, right to a fair trial, as well as fair tribunal on behalf of Young Thug under both the Georgia Constitution and the United States Constitution. Let's read this footnote real quick. The footnote from the title says this motion applies to Judge Glanville as well. So he's talking about okay, the motion applies as well. Okay, gotcha. So he's talking about when he did the supplemental motion as well. We're right here. It says this will mandate that Mr. Copeland be cross-examined before the jury about his meetings and conversation with lawyer Love, Hylton, and Glanville. This essential questioning injects the veracity and credibility of lawyers Love and Hylton and Glanville. Undersigned counsel will also examine lawyer Love, Hylton, and Glanville as to why they knowingly made false and misleading assertions of Lil Woody about the alleged disloyalty of Lil Woody's lawyer and provide legally incorrect information to Lil Woody in order to persuade Mr. Copeland to testify against Mr. Williams. Based upon their own deliberate and intentional concealed misconduct, Judge Glanville's, Hylton's, and Love's credibility and acts are now at the center of the Young Thug trial. Jeez, Pete. These lawyers must be removed and disqualified from further participation in the case, save as witnesses. See Georgia Rules of Professional Conduct, and he cites some cases here. He says here that during the jury charge, it is expected that this honorable court will be asked to instruct the jury as to suggested pattern jury instructions. This court has no interest in this case. It says here as follows. The court has no interest in this case by no ruling or comment that the court has made during the progress of this trial has the court intended to express any opinion upon the facts of this case, upon credibility of witnesses, upon evidence, or upon the guilt or innocence of the defendant. Undersigned counsel requires this above testimony from lawyers Love, Hylton, and Judge Glanville in order to have the deliberating jury consider whether Glanville was in fact biased for the prosecution, and that this jury instruction is not applicable prior to July 15, 2024, the day Mr. Williams' motion to recuse Judge Glanville was granted. So basically here, look, he's saying it right here that the undersigned counsel requires that this above testimony from all three of these people in order to have the deliberating jury consider whether Glanville was biased. So that same, he want that same jury on there to say, to see how biased, if lawyers Love and Hylton and Glanville was biased, and the fact that he's going to cross-examine them. It says, wherefore, Mr. Williams respectfully requests a hearing on this motion, and at the conclusion of same, ask this honorable court to grant the above requested relief. So, I mean, this is very, very interesting. And he's doing this right before they get involved into this status hearing, which is, again, today at 11:30 a.m. I'm going to drop this video. Right now, it's like 9:45. I'm going to drop this video at 10:15, and I'm going to premiere it. I want everybody to see this. This is going to be amazing. These motions are going to have to be looked at. These motions are going to have to be reviewed. And I'm so curious about how this is going to play out. Yo, if you like this video, go ahead and like it. Go ahead and share this. Subscribe to the channel. Stand Up Biz Nation. What up, though? This your boy Tay Biz, and I'm going to holler at you in a few. Peace.